All right, now I told y'all that I was kind of trying to watch my menu because I was going to throw them a sucker punch at the last second. And let me tell you what I'm fixing for them to have as a dessert. I am fixing them a molten lava cake, and you're not going to believe how easy and simple this is. In my bowl now, over hot water, I have melted 6 1-ounce squares of bittersweet chocolate and 2 1-ounce squares of semi-sweet chocolate, along with 1 1/4 stick of butter. So this is just pure chocolate and pure butter. Now to this, we're gonna add 1 1/2 cups of powdered sugar or confectionate sugar, a 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, and I'm just gonna mix that up because my chocolate is really, really hot, and I want it to cool down a minute because I'm gonna add some eggs to it. All right, now to our mixture, I'm gonna add 3 whole eggs, and I'm gonna add 3 additional egg yolks. All right, we're just gonna mix those up real good. And to this, I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of vanilla flavoring. And I'm using pure vanilla extract. All right, and then I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of orange liqueur. It smells so good. Are you getting this all down, Otis? You taking this all down? You can see how quickly that came together without even the benefit of a mixer. Now I have 6 6-ounce custard cups already buttered and ready to go. We'll just move those up here. And now I'm gonna fill our cups. And I'm gonna try to divide this batter equally between the 6 cups. We'll see how good I do. Now we're gonna put this into a 425-degree oven, and we're gonna bake these for about 15 minutes. All right. So in with these. And that's plenty for the girls and me. But you know, there's a great big old hairy guy that lives here with me. And if he sees me serving molten chocolate cake to the girls and don't have any for him, I'd be in serious trouble. So I got his ready in this oven. And the sad part, y'all, is Michael will eat every one of these. Can you see how good those look? All right, now I'm gonna gently remove our cake. Look at that. And to our molten lava, I'm gonna put a dollop of flavored chocolate whipped cream. All right, all I'm gonna do to it now is dust it with a little powdered sugar. And then I've got a strawberry that I'm gonna add to it just for color. They are gonna love them. So much for that plate of vegetables. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at this. Look at that chocolate running out. Oh my goodness. It's so very good.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this blast from the past, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button, as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.